Yes, sir.
Do you know what we are going to do?
Noise talk.
Noise talks. Do you know about noise talks?
Yes, sir.
What will you please explain this?
It means everybody around us make it noise, but we are consist on the topic and say it continuously.
That means noise talks gives you more patience.
Yes, sir.
People around you want to disturb you.
Yes,
You
sir.
should remain stick with your topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have your own topic?
Yes, sir.
You want to start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may start. And meanwhile, I will disturb you.
Yes,
So
sir.
try to calm, try to remain silent.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
Yes, you may start.
This is Aradhna Pandey, and I am here to represent the topic about school. School is a very good place. We go to school not only for study. We go to school for learning so much things like behave yourself or discipline or for enjoyment also.
It is a discipline.
Also enjoy our companion. We make lots of friends and also contract with our teachers. Also make
Not your
friend
teacher.
and fun with their companion.
Fun with teachers?
And
are there to
also
teach,
go
not to
to
make
school
fun.
for study. And we study in school and lots of
Are you
things
really
and lots of study,
You are not going to
lots of subject
many
like
times you
English,
call me
Hindi,
you are
accountancy,
not learning.
and also
Only the number
we
of days you are going to
speak to
school.
our
And you are
teachers
not
about the questions we have doubt. And
She is saying that she is
That-
learning in the school. Even she is not going.
sir, we learning in a school. Also we have lots of doubt in a school. We put the doubt to the teachers, and teachers reply.
Have you
We
ever
have
seen
lots
that
of
in school?
we have lots of memory in our schools. Like we are attending our lots of activity like dancing, singing, also study well. We have lots of,
She goes regularly.
and I am going regularly school with my friends, and my friends is too good. And I am fighting with my no, my friend is like my sister. I also sorry no.
Very good, very good. Afzal, you are once again here. Yes. You want to do this funny activity? Are you ready with this activity? Noise talks.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You may start.
Hello, everyone. This is Mohammad Afzal Khan, and my today's topic for noise talk is top 10 selling cars in the Indian market. So at the number 10, we have Hyundai Creta with the sales unit of 16,895 from the Hyundai company, and at the ninth place we have Nissan Terrano, which is discontinued in 2020 during the lockdown, and in India 2022 the Nissan company also relaunched the Nissan Terrano, and when he bring the Nissan Terrano in the Indian market, it was a fabulous hit during the Nissan, because when the first month of his selling, he sells around 4,500 units, which is which is very good at the cost of very expensive car like 15 lakhs in 2019. So we can at number 8 we have Tata Nexon with a price of 13 lakh, and units sold sales with the 17,805. So the cars was sold, which are a broad number in the Indian market, and today till the launching date the Tata has sold 1,50,000 units till today. So we are hoping that in the future or next month, the number of sales are increasing by 50,000. At number 6, we have Maruti Suzuki Swift, which is the most unsafe car from the company. It has scored 2 stars in Global NCAP during and with the but it is the unsafest car, but listed in the top 10 list. So the unit sales for year 2024 month 2000 April won to
Fifth number.
and number 5 at number 5 we have Maruti Eco, and Eco was a van which sells around 17,000 per month, and he is the most unsafest van, and he has no competition till date. There is a Chevrolet Enjoy we have, but Chevrolet Enjoy was discontinued till today. So we are hoping that in the future, when Chevrolet company like Ford, we have Endeavor, which is the competition of Fortuner, and for around 40 lakhs, around 45 lakhs we have Fortuners, but the amount of Fortuner which says at 2,500 like 50 lakh rupees, and when the Endeavor was launched, it about 36 lakhs to 55 lakhs, but we are hoping that Endeavor is taking the half sales of Toyota Fortuner, but Toyota was Scorpio N.
Yes. Divya, do you know what noise talks is?
Yes, there is one people who say something on a particular topic and you disturb here.
Yes, I am the responsible factor to disturb people. And have you seen the previous videos based on noise talks?
Yes, and also I do in back on the camera and the class.
Miss, you are here fully prepared.
Not fully, yes, but I prepared.
Preparation.
Yeah, a little bit.
So you may start speaking your topic.
Okay, so this is Divya Yadav, and I am here to represent my topic on Constitution and what is the importance of Constitution. As we all know, after independence of India, there is by Britishers, our India is independent. There is biggest thing. This is Constitution, how the country will run after independence. There is biggest deal, how to deal the country without a constitution. There are lots of people who involve here to make a constitution, like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is here, who is the draftist committee, is the leader of the chairman of the making of constitution in the drafting committee, and also it is very he is very great man, because he involved all of the people who discriminated people, like sometimes the people who wants to who doesn't want to touch any people like who belong ST/SC caste and lower caste, but he gives to right to grow, and they giving to some rights to stand. There is lots of things in mentioned in constitution, like right to freedom, right to speech, and right to express your problems. There is lots of things. Also, constitution is written how the government run. There is lots of things as written, like what is the function of judiciary, what is the function of legislative, what is the function of judiciary, as well as, and there is lots of things are written, like
many things.
There is many things. Yes, executive, judiciary, legislative. There is lots of things who their own works, like here, and represent their own views. Yes, I am doing this and doing this, and then the judge is judging what was the problem, and after the judging, he said their decision or opinion, what was he think, and after saying and also he says yes what was the wrong, and if the person is wrong, the judge give him punishment or jail, and also of hanging. Yes, if the do biggest crime, the judge wants to say yes, that's for hang, the people were hanged, and all rule book in which mention all over the thing how the country governed, and also what was the in constitution also write there what is the power of president, what is the power of prime ministers.
Fine.